Hi Delta, I think your final spread looks good. I'm back. Okay, your final spread looks good. A couple nitpicky things. In graphic design, you don't want any hyphens. You've got a couple of those. See if you can edit them out. I might make the font size smaller, and that way you can do it. The other thing is the type on the left looks like it's smaller than the type on the right. So that looks like a mistake. It doesn't look like that there's something special over here. So try to make it all the same size. And then finally, put the author in here at the end or underneath the title. Okay, and then, there seem to be some issues with the ellipses on the top of the baseball bat, the top of the syringe, and then the glass. And this should, instead of pinched on the edges, it should be a smooth, thin oval. Here, 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 and here. So keep that in mind. These sketches could use a little bit of brightening to look professional, and this is advice for your portfolio at this point. So just take them into Photoshop and increase the brightness and contrast. Then my last comment, I think, again, you've got the ellipse problem here. Like one of the ends of the glasses it doesn't appear to be showing up. So you got one there, but then you're missing the other one. I like the splash, but the ellipse for the bottom of the glass is either missing or it's got a point in it. And also the edges up here are pinched, so you want to make sure those are smooth. This turned out really nice. I thought this was by far my most favorite one. I don't have any more comments about that. I think the typography looks really nice too. The remaining issue though, come on, yeah, zoom out, was this first apple has a hard pinched edge. And as you know, apples are smooth. So I would go in there and delete that point and pull the Bezier handle so that it's more rounded. So it's here, and then it's also in the poem. So that pointed edge really stands out. So make that smooth, and then you'll be good to go. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.